Hey prima donnas. Okay, so back again today with another vlog. This is gonna kind of be like a little maintenance vlog, or like a get cute with me, new month, new nails, new lashes. You get the gist. And I kind of have like my little silk pajama that I was telling you guys about over on my Instagram stories. So I did get this little silk pajama on Amazon, and it's giving me like Victoria's Secret vibes. I got my little skincare headband to match. But yeah, so I'm going to attempt to do my press-ons because I haven't been getting my nails done. I've been kind of like letting my nails like breathe, and I've been into more of like natural nails. So I just been rocking press-ons, y'all, just so that way I can film content. So this is gonna be kind of like get myself together. This is kind of like my routine that I do at the beginning of the month, so that way, you know, I look decent for when I film content and stuff like that. So let's get started. I'm gonna be using these two products. This is the Versed Dew Point Moisturizing Cream. I've been really liking this, as well as the Moisture Maker Hyaluronic Hydrating Serum. You guys are gonna see like how glowy this is gonna make my skin. We're filming this literally in the living room, y'all. Oh wow, I was supposed to put the serum on first, but whatever. Now I'm just gonna put the little serum on top. All right, so let's jump into voiceover so I can show you guys how I finesse my press-ons real quick. So I love me a good French tip, y'all. So I really like these from Kiss, but of course first you do want to go ahead and prep your real nails. So this is kind of like a cleanser for your nails to make them nice and primed. And y'all, I have to file them first because my nails look crazy. So yeah, like I said before, I wanted to let my nails breathe, which is why I've been even doing press-ons, honestly. But I can never really get the shape that I like, so I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I get my press-ons to look like you literally was at the salon, girl. I got you, bitch. So yeah, you want to go ahead and file them down because you want to give your real nail bed some grip, so that way when you glue on the press-ons, they actually stay, bitch, for like 2 weeks. I'm not even joking. And when I tell you guys that this pink glue that be coming with the Kiss press-ons, this shit is fab. Okay, do not be sleeping on this glue because this shit will have my shit on. Okay, so yeah, you want to go ahead and press down, make sure there are no air bubbles. Press that nice and tight, hold that for 2 seconds, and baby, go ahead and continue. So yeah, now you want to go ahead and file. You want to get them really rough as square, you know, nail filers that you be finding at a beauty supply store. And you see what I'm doing, okay? I am making it square because you're not about to tell me that these is not a full set from the salon, like. But yes, this is how I do my press-ons. So yeah, after you're done like filing and buffing, I'm not even gonna lie, I'll be filing for a good minute because I like my shit to be really straight. But yeah, you guys, this is pretty much the finished sets. And tell me they're not cute. I love how straight they are. Like, you see the before and after, like, yes. So I just finished my nails. Now the things with these press-ons is that the shape is kind of like a little ovalish, and you have to like get one of these hard files and like really shape them so that way they could be nice and square and how I like them. And girl, I be getting them dumb square like how they do in the nail salon. And tell me that don't look like a little French mini set. Like, it is so cute. I did like cut my nails before. This is a cuticle oil that I use. Is from NCLA. So that's why my hands still look so dry, because of all of the filing. So yeah, these are my nails. Okay, so now my nails are done. I was going to like do my lash extensions tonight, but it's getting late and I'm getting tired, so I'll probably just do that tomorrow in the morning, because I was on the phone with my mom and texting my dad because they're kind of going through something personal right now, so that kind of killed a lot of my time. But yeah, y'all, and everything, because since I have 3 clients, I'm not gonna have everybody in my room because I don't have my beauty room set up yet. So I'm actually going to have them in my living room, so that way, you know, they could like chill on the couch while I do one girl at a time. So I'm actually gonna bring my kit out here and set up out here. So I'll show all you guys. So I'll show you guys that more tomorrow when they come, because I'm just gonna be setting up and stuff. So yeah, we'll pick back up tomorrow. So good night, babes. Look how cute my nail.
Keep it a stock, this bitch is more cause they know I got bands. This bitch chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. I'll be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's slow, he gon' act like a fan. You bigger, they got your head gas. Bitch is slow, so I give him a pass. Like, keep it a stock, this bitch is more cause they know I got bands. This bitch chatting, I don't give a damn, and I'm still getting money, I know who I am. I'll be low, he gon' hit on my gram. If he's slow, he gon' act like a fan. You bigger, they got your head gas. Bitch is slow, so I give him a pass. And I just fell in love with a gangster, so he put my name in the top. But I don't let him come to the crib, so he get it on where we at. Nowadays I be checking them cameras, and they heard that I'm up on them banners. Calling my phone, but they know I don't answer. In the hood, I'm like Princess Diana. I'm sick cause I be eating oats. Chris not taking shit from me, but knows. Wanna be me, so she do my emotes and my name in her mouth, so I bet she gon' show my pain.
Okay, so it is the next day. I'm just waiting for my client. Here, let me show you guys. Look at the vibes, y'all. So I got my kit. Everything is looking so nice and so organized. So yeah, so this is how I set everything up while the others wait, you know, over here in the little waiting area. Just have little biker shorts and a tank top because it is so hot in my house. It's crazy. Okay, so this is the aftermath, y'all, of 3 clients. Didn't get to like vlog because they came super late, not even gonna lie. So I was on timing trying to get them out of here for the Sweet 16. So I'll just insert some footage or some photos or something in the clip. But girl, we made some money. Okay. Tia, he's staying over.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Oh my gosh, shout out to my boo Tia. I used this today on my clients, you guys, in the shade Flojo. This is her own brand. I'll leave her brand down in the description box, you guys. I used this on my clients today. So bomb. So bomb. I have 3 dogs. And that's why I don't wear black in my house. It's dangerous to wear black in my house.
Trying to keep it peaceful is a struggle for me. Don't pull up at 6 a.m. to cuddle with me. You know how I like it when you love, you know me. I don't wanna die for them to miss me. Yes, I see the things that they wishing on me. Hope I got some brothers that outlive me. They gon' tell the story, shit was different with me. God's plan, God's plan. I hold back sometimes I won't. I feel good, sometimes I don't. Like, I finesse down Western Road like this. Might go down to G.O.D.
Do y'all hear what's going on? I came with coffee, but Crystal said fuck that vibe because this is the new vibe.
Yeah. Tequila.
She let me drink a tequila. I'm a whole new girl. It's because I'm going.
No,
blind.
vacation starts now.
Yeah, it really
Vacation
does.
starts now.
Y'all, this is the first time we met, and y'all would think that we met like centuries ago.
No, but you know what? That's the power of social media.
Y'all, I feel like I already knew you.
Yeah.
For real. It was like, all right, Autumn, Courtney, let's go. Like, you know the girls.
No, that dream shit was fucking crazy.
Yo, how was the pepper thing?
Oh my god.
That was so cute. I didn't even know they had a pepper thing.
Yo, you know what's funny? Nobody knew. But
And
I
look,
was
she
like, it's
loves
probably
her
because my
pepper.
algorithm. I mean, yeah, bitch. My house throws up pepper.
Everything is pepper. That's Autumn with the damn unicorn shit.
For real?
Bro,
No, because
curtains,
it's funny.
the rug, everything is fucking tie-dye. It sickens me.
No.
Nah, I'm wearing tie-dye.
Tie-dye is loud. Tie-dye is very loud.
Yo. Okay, so this is what we're kind of doing. It's kind of like an ombre and highlights together. So this is the inspo photo. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. We haven't even made it to 1.
Wait, oh yeah, this is the orange juice. We got the pepper cups.
Courtney's gonna be like,
She's gonna be like,
what's in my cup? Yeah, my
Wait, do
shit
you like
tastes
the
like.
straw?
Girl, you know we ghetto.
No.
I didn't even know my hair was this different colors. Like, the top is brown.
You were like, oh,
the
my
bottom
shit was
is
in a bun.
black.
I'm like, wait, let me see.
Yo, facts. My shit has been in a bun or in a ponytail.
Since I dyed it dark.
Facts. And I'm like, yo, what is happening? Behind the scenes of making content, get into it.
We're gonna see how this TikTok goes. Okay. Alright, let's see. I feel like we get a little.
Maybe a little crooked. I'm still so mad you fucked with Karol G.
I know. And I
Now
mean,
you
he's
want her
trying.
back.
He's
And now
trying.
you want my bitch
He's
back.
trying his best. Oh, wait, other. Oh, yes! Okay. All right, we
Is
got
it
it.
this way?
Yeah, that was good. But just try to get really aggressively close. All right. But do the timer where it needs to do too. Okay, no, but we're good. We just gotta do it again.
The shot in this hand. Boom.
That make wow.
Yeah.
Okay, that
But I
makes
was like
sense.
setting this crisscrossy.
Yeah. Sign is not making sense.
Woo! Oh my god.
Do it a little longer since it cuts it off.
Fast.
Oh!
Okay. Okay, so your girl just finished putting on a little bit of makeup. Hence why my vanity looks tragic. Okay, let me show you guys my hair and how my hair came out. That coffee tastes like crack today. Ah! Okay, let me set up the camera. Hold on. Look at my new hair, y'all. Can y'all already tell that I'm acting bad? I don't know how to act. All right. So shout out to my boo, Crystal, because she definitely did that. Honestly, it wasn't like the inspo picture, but I'm feeling this, y'all. I feel like it just suits like my undertones a lot better. I don't know. She just knew what she was doing. Let me show you guys a back view. Just show you guys what the hair is giving, because bitch, it's giving. It's definitely giving. And y'all probably like, wait, what happened to the French tip? Actually ended up getting like a whole new set. So yeah, I actually have nails now, but it's still part of my maintenance because bitch, I still got my nails done. She also did cut my hair into layers because y'all, I have so many dead ends. It was ridiculous. Like, it was ridiculous. Like, my hair was so long, but for like no reason, because the ends were so dead. Y'all don't mind my rose, like, for real. But anyway, I don't even match. I got two different pinks on, but it's all right. But yeah, y'all see the vibes. Y'all see the hair. Y'all see the baddie. Also, this like makeup routine, I actually do want to film it in my next video because y'all, I am not even wearing foundation. This is like my quick 20-minute baddie routine. I'm gonna show y'all that in my next video. Don't worry, I got y'all. Don't even worry about it. But I'm not gonna gatekeep though on the lip combo because oh my god, one thing I also forgot to mention, I also I'm gonna include some clips of when I also did recently just get lip filler because obviously that's part of my beauty maintenance. Girl, I love me a good juicy lip. Like, so yes, I do get filler from time to time. I honestly haven't had filler in like over a year, so it was about time to like, you know, get them a little, you know, a little perky again. This time I actually did do something a little bit different. I did do needleless filler. Just gonna have to do your research on it. It's not as invasive as like getting pricked because it's needleless. It's kind of like a hyaluronic pen. But now that like my lips actually settled in, because I did get them like about 3 weeks ago. So that's why, you know, we had to jump cut because I was not about to come on here and finish this video with my lips looking crazy, y'all. But yeah, now that my lips did settle in, I love them. It's not as expensive as doing regular filler, so you know, this is a little bit of a cheaper alternative. But honestly the swelling, bitch, I looked crazy. I was having a whole mental breakdown. I literally didn't even want to come on camera until they settled down. And honestly, now that they are settled, I love them, yes. But I feel like, I don't know how to explain it. Like, when you get regular filler, your results are a lot more dramatic. When you do needleless, in the beginning, it looks dramatic. But after like a week, it goes down so fucking much that I'm like, did I just waste my money? I do see the result, so let me not even fucking be dramatic, but I do see the result. But anyways, these are my new lips. Like I said, I will insert some clips or whatever of when I did get my lips and or redone, I should say, because this is like about my 3rd time now getting filler, bitch. Y'all know the vibes. Okay, back to this lip combo. For my lip liner, I am wearing, this is the Cara Beauty lip liner in the shade Hot Cocoa. Girl, mine is literally almost done. Like, look at this. This is sad. And then I do have on my Fenty glosses. Of course, I got the OG Fussy on. But yeah, every time I wear pink or with pink blush, I love to put the shade Confetti in the center. This one just has like a purple bluey hue. And if you know, pink pulls a lot of blue. Or if you do a cool tone pink blush, that does have a blue undertone. So yeah, it will transform your nude lip to have like this shift to it. Like, oh, it's so fucking pretty. I can't really explain it, but I can see it. I can fucking see it. That's pretty much the end of this video. That was pretty much my beauty maintenance routine. The only thing that I honestly did not do in this video was my at-home DIY lashes. I'll probably include that in my next maintenance vlog, only because I have a bunch of content to film that right now I can't even put on lashes. To just save that for my next maintenance vlog, but more or less, y'all, last thing is just put on a quick little face, and that's what I did today. And as you guys can see, like, my whole mood just changed. It's crazy. Sometimes, like, when you're in sometimes when you're in one of those like funky moods where it's like you really not feeling yourself, I'm telling you, try this beauty maintenance routine. Pick yourself up. Like, we're literally just girls. Yeah, prima donnas, that was pretty much everything in this video. Actually, comment down below and let me know if you actually fuck with content like this that is kind of like vlog / still beauty content. Leave me down a comment, because y'all bitches really don't be commenting, all right? It's editing. And y'all don't even be showing love. Like, y'all need to get it together, for real. Yeah, beauties, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.